Hi everyone. We'll start with the first chapter, that is measurements. In this chapter, what did we study? Majorly we studied two topics, that is density and relative density. What is density? Density of a substance is nothing but mass per unit volume. Sometimes density is denoted by letter rho. It's a Greek letter rho. So density's formula is mass per unit volume. What is the SI unit of mass? It is kg, and the SI unit of volume is meter cube. Hence the SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. If you want to find the CGS unit, SI means System International and CGS means centimeter, gram and second. It will be gram per centimeter cube. How did we get this? The density formula is mass by volume. So the CGS unit of mass is grams and the CGS unit of volume is centimeter cube. So it is gram per centimeter cube. Here we need to memorize the density of water. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, and if you want to convert this in SI unit, that is kg per meter cube, simply multiply by 1000. So you will get 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, that's density. We studied that if density is less, the body will float. If density is more, the body will sink. Hence, to find whether the body will sink or it will float, we always compare the density of substance with density of water. This is called as relative density. The formula of relative density is the ratio of density of substance to density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. The other name of relative density is specific gravity. Okay, and density of water we have to check at 4 degrees Celsius. Reason being, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. So we have to find the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius, that is actually 1 gram per centimeter cube. Relative density, it is a ratio of same quantity, so we need not write any unit. It does not have any unit. So majorly we studied about density and relative density. We also studied about speed, distance and time, which you have already done in mathematics. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to speed into time, and time is equal to distance upon speed. The unit of time is seconds, distance is meter, and speed is meter per second. Sometimes they will give you in kilometer per hour. You need to convert that into meter per second, and then only you can solve the numerical. The unit for that, the conversion factor is you multiply by 5 by 18. Okay? Thank you. We also saw how to measure the area. What is the meaning of area? So area is the surface occupied by an object. SI unit is meter square. If you want to convert centimeter square to meter square, you divide by 10,000. Or you can say you multiply by 10 raised to minus 4. If you want to find the area of irregular figure, for that we need to use the graph. So you can use the graph and find number of boxes that are completely covered by the leaf in this example. We also saw what is volume. Volume is the space occupied by the object. The SI unit of it is meter cube. 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube and 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cube. There are different units of volume that can be used and can be converted from one form to another. Then about the speed. Speed is the distance covered by the body in unit time. Unit is meter per second. The SI unit is kilometer per hour. Okay. Then we solve few numericals based on the formula which we have studied. Thank you.